Have you received a violation from the city for your curb box being raised over the sidewalk and has now become a tripping hazard? If so, you're going to want to address this citation ASAP, especially before someone can injure themselves. When you begin your search for a contractor to perform the corrective work, it's important that you find one that is licensed, bonded, and insured. This is a must. This contractor must also obtain the proper permits to excavate and restore the sidewalk. Now, typically, the only sidewalk flag that will need to be restored is the one with the curb box in it. If you're not sure what a sidewalk flag is, it's typically a single 4x5 or a 5x5 section of concrete. After the permits are obtained, the contractor can begin excavating the sidewalk. So if your curb box is in good condition, then it's possible that the box could be adjusted without the need to excavate down to the curb valve itself. If so, the existing box can be reused and set to the proper height prior to re-cementing the sidewalk. If the box is found to be not in good condition and cannot be reused and adjusted, then the contractor will need to excavate down to the curb valve, set a new curb box, set it to the proper height, then it can be cemented. After it's cemented, you are all in the clear. As always, it's always best to contact a licensed master plumber to inspect and perform this type of work. Thank you for watching our video.